Lesson Overview. Power Query Editor is the data preparation workspace inside Power BI. Every transformation you apply is recorded as a step, so the whole cleaning process becomes a repeatable recipe that runs every time the data refreshes. The editor interface. Queries pane left the list of tables you're working with. Data Preview Center, the first 1,000 rows of the selected table. Applied Steps pane, write every step in order. You can click any step to see the data at that point. Ribbon Home, Transform, Add Column, View tabs. Applied Steps. Each click in Power Query adds a step. For example, removed columns, changed type, filtered rows. You can. Rename steps for clarity. Delete or reorder steps. Edit the underlying M code via the formula bar or advanced editor. This is what makes Power Query repeatable. Next month's file goes through the same steps automatically. Data profiling. Turn on profiling under the View tab. Column quality %valid, error, and empty. Column distribution number of distinct and unique values. Column profile full statistics on the column. Profiling is the fastest way to spot data quality problems before they reach the model. Query settings. Each query has a name, a description, and a load setting. You can choose to enable load, data goes to the model, or only include in report refresh, used as an intermediate query, for example, a lookup that feeds another query. Try this. Open Power Query and inspect column quality. Load any CSV with a few thousand rows. Go to View Column Quality, Column Distribution, Column Profile. Change the profiling scope from Top 1000 to Entire Dataset, Bottom Status Bar. Identify a column with errors or unusually high empty %.